Are you gonna do the intro?
I am. Hi. Hi, YouTube.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Hi. Today we're doing a... What is this?
Mukbang.
No, what is this? Food.
Lasagna.
Oh. Today we're doing a lasagna mukbang.
It's not really a mukbang. Like, last time wasn't really a mukbang either.
Well, a mukbang. So... No!
Oh my God.
Okay, let's get started.
I'm afraid to even eat now.
Huh? How many did I eat?
I said I was afraid to even eat now. Dude, the fan's making my food cold.
Shut up.
Dude, like that's like perfect wind. I wish at my dad's house my fan went that fast.
I got Sprite.
I got Diet Pepsi because there was no more Sprite.
Yeah, because he drank them all. And that was the last one. I put down.
I drank them all. Did you say I drank them all?
Your mom drank them all too.
I only had 2. Since we got them.
Since we got them, I only have 4.
Since we got them, I only had 2.
I only had 4. And your mom like drank them all.
Mom doesn't really even drink Sprite.
Hmm?
Mom doesn't really even drink Sprite.
She had a whole case down there. But
Ask her for a Sprite.
she drank them
Oh.
all.
I'm gonna fill that fan out the window.
The best part is when you
It's
get
a little
cooked. I mean, a little overcooked.
The best part is when you get this part on it. What up, y'all? This is what lasagna is.
Lasagna is...
Don't subscribe because of what I just did. This video is like really boring. You know? Did you post the other video?
Mm-hmm. I got everything in it. Everything. Everything we did. Everything you did.
Are you seriously gonna post this one? Can you block my face out?
Mm-hmm. Oh, with that? I blocked your other face out with the chicken nugget like you asked.
Really?
Yeah. I was kidding.
I know.
Finished? Well, see you guys later. Oh, this was a short one. And boring.
5 minutes.
Bye. Oh, gotta do the thing.
if you gave me my pop, maybe I could do it with you.
Ready?
Oh, we don't even have anything on our plates.
Just show the plate. What am I?